Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am going to test Eachine E51 foldable drone. As you can see, this is the drone, this is the battery, and this is the phone through which I will control the drone. I have charged the battery 2 hours ago. So now I will show you how to control this drone. First, I will put this battery in the drone like this. Then we have to push this button for few seconds. Then the LED of the drone starts blinking. Then you have to go to your phone and on the Wi-Fi. Here the drone Wi-Fi starts appearing with the name of Eachine 745B21. Then you have to download the app named as Eachine Fly. When you open this app, the app appear like this. This is the question mark, which means how to control this drone. In it everything is written, and this is the button through which you will go to the main screen of the drone. Let's play it. As you can see, this is the main screen of the drone and the camera is opened. Then you can see there is a button on which it is written off. You have to push this button, then the drone is on. Then this up and down button, you have to push this button also, then the up and down button appears. This is the return button through which you can go back to the main screen of the app. Through this button you can click the photo. Through this you can record a video. Here photos and recordings are kept. This is the button through which you can control the speed of the drone. Through this button through this button, up and down button of the drone appears. Through this button the drone goes up. Through this the drone goes down. This is the button. If you think your drone is going to crash, then you can push this stop button and stop the drone immediately. Through this button you can control the drone through gravity, as you have to put your thumb here and you have to do like this to make the drone fly forward, do like this to make the drone fly back, do like this to make the drone fly leftward, and this to make the drone fly rightward. Through this button you can make the drone go up, through this down. Through this button you can make the drone turn leftwards, through this rightward turn. Through this button you can make the drone go forward, through this backward. Through this you can make the drone fly leftward, through this rightward. If you are not sure that you can fly a drone very perfectly, then you can use these buttons, these switches, which is in the bottom and in the corner of the app. Through this button you can make the drone fly forward, through this backward. Through this it will fly like this. 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 there are more buttons in the app. You have to push this settings button. This is the reverse mode of the drone. This is 3D mode. This is headless mode, and this is one key to return. You can use the drone if the drone goes far away from you. Guys, I will test this drone or fly the drone after some time, as it is very hot outside. So guys, I'm down and the temperature has came to normal, as you can see through the ground mass of my society, and this is my tower. So guys, now I will fly the drone. Guys, as you can see, I have opened the drone and I am opening the app. I played, and then on button. And then the on button, up and down, and it goes up. Sorry guys for not making a proper video of the drone, and I will bring a new video in which I will tell you how to get free drone online. So guys, please subscribe my video to know the process of getting free drone. Like this video and share it to all your friends. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.